Mitchell's
Are you
epic
sure,
haircut.
Mitchell?
Yeah.
I cut everyone's hair now that's long. Jordan, Cody, Jay, who else? So he has thick hair.
Yeah, he does have thick
That's
hair.
why it's gonna stand up. Watch. I remember his old pictures when he was a kid. He had spike hair, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. There it is, right there.
Alright, senior year. Did you go pee?
Yeah.
Hey, Dan, Mitchell, you're about to have a long ass meal if you put his name up.
This
So you guys saw their house?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Nice.
Where's it at?
American.
You like your new house, Mitchell?
Yeah, I do.
He got his own room downstairs.
Pretty much.
Oh, there
That's
you
the
go.
best room in the house.
Do you?
Yeah.
And Mickey got the biggest room upstairs.
Really?
She got the master bedroom.
Where in AC is it at?
Vintage Ranch.
Right next to Mickey's elementary school.
Vintage Ranch?
Yeah.
Also, it's the same place where you guys lived before, right?
Yeah.
You guys live in Vintage
Opposite
Ranch?
side.
Oh, okay.
Your hair is thick, Mitchell.
Yeah, it is thick.
Timber.
Oh, man.
Damn, your hair is thick.
Yeah.
He's still going. Are those Osters?
Now it's my wall, it's my 5-star, but this is what I used to cut it down. These are sharp right here.
Mitchell, are you crying? It's okay.
I'm crying on the inside.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
Mitchell, you gotta hold
oh
it.
my god.
Hold your hair.
This is
Wait, let me see.
sad.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture. Okay, hold on. Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.